Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the monthly loan payment using the PMT function in Excel. It's something that's very easy to do, and so we'll go ahead and just walk you through how we're going to go about doing that. Something that we want to remember before we get started is that with the loan, and we're looking at monthly payments, we got to make sure that we're talking apples to apples. And so we need to make sure that all of our payments are based on months, and so we'll go ahead and kind of walk you through how we want to go about doing that. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to figure out what our interest rate is going to be. We'll say our interest rate is going to be 6% annual interest rate, years. Let's say we're doing a home loan and it's a 30-year loan. And the loan amount is, we'll say $500,000. We'll make that dollars. Too nice and clean. Well, the first thing we're going to do is just equals PMT. And then we'll hit tab, and it will ask us for all the information that it's going to need. Our rate currently is 6%, so we'll go ahead and just click on that. What we want to do with that 6% is divide it by 12, because that is our annual rate. So the annual rate needs to be divided by the 12 months to get it to be on the same level. So we'll then hit a comma there to separate it out. And then NPER is the number of periods, so that's the years. But again, we're talking years here. So we need to multiply that by 12. So we have 30 years times 12 months in a year is going to give us 360 payments. Then we'll hit another comma. And this asks for the present value. So like present value would be what was the original loan amount. So it's again $500,000. We'll just click on that, close parentheses, and then hit enter. So it gives us a $3,000 payment on a $500,000 loan. It's going to be a negative amount opposed to the positive loan amount because, we're paying this much every month. If we were to make this negative, then it would come out positive. So just whatever your preference is there. But we'll go ahead and just leave it as negative. But that's exactly how we would want to go about finding out the monthly payment. So now we know on that $500,000 loan for 30 years, it's 6%. But let's say, what if we do a 20-year loan instead? What's that going to come out to be? So we can just put in that 20, and the formula is going to automatically take the 20 and C3 and then multiply by 12. So it's 240 payments rather than 360. And our payment goes up about $582, but over the life of the loan, it's going to be much less just based on the amount of time that we're paying on it. So we'll go back to 30 years and let's say, well, what if we can get a much better interest rate? And let's say we want to get a 4% interest rate. So let's put the 4% in there, and you can see it went from $2,900 or almost $3,000 down to $2,300 or almost $2,400. So it shows you the importance of a low interest rate and the importance of payment. So again, PMT is a great tool in Excel to figure out and understand monthly payments, be it a car loan, be it a home loan, or other types of loan when you're using time value of money. So I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.